In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find product key on Windows 11 computer. Go to search. In search, type REGEDIT. Right click on Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. Expand HK local machine. Then expand software. Then expand Microsoft. Scroll down. Expand Windows NT. Then expand current version. Scroll down again. Then click on Software Protection Platform. Here you will find Backup Product Key Default, and this is your product key or license key on Windows 11 computers. That's it. This is the easiest way to find product key on Windows 11 computer.